Joe Camberado here, CEO and founder of National Business Capital. Thanks for tuning into my video. In this quick video, we're going to talk about small business loans, basically everything that you need to know about small business loans. What are the best ones? What do you need to get approved? How much sales do you need to be doing? So stay tuned. I'm going to go through this really quick to make it short and sweet and give you the info that you need. So the first question is, what do you need to do in sales in order to get a small business loan? This can get tricky, and there are a few different business loans out there which I'm going to talk about, but you need to really be doing at least a bare minimum, and this is just minimums. You have to be doing at least about $5,000 a month in sales. Most lenders will like to see you doing at least $10,000 a month in gross sales. So annual sales about $120,000. Credit score wise, in order to get a true business loan today, a term loan, now there's a few different business loan options, but you'll need at the bare minimum at least a 600 credit score. But don't worry, if your credit's taking a beating as you've built your business, that's okay. There are other products that are available that you will be able to get approved for. You also need to be in business for at least 2 years. The great news is there are some small business loan products that are available today that you don't have to be showing a profit. If you are showing a profit, that's always great. How hard is it to get a business loan today? Well, I'd like to say that it's never been easier to get a business loan today. There are a number of lenders out there, which is a great thing, but it also can make it more confusing because each one of those lenders have different guidelines and industries and requirements that they need, or different industries that they focus on. So let's talk about the best type of business loans. There's really like 3 types of business loans that are available and on the market today. One is an SBA loan. The second is a term loan. And the third is a line of credit. A line of credit is another form of an actual business loan. So the SBA is a 7A working capital loan. It's a 10-year term. Rates are prime plus 2%. You need to have at least a 660 FICO, in business for 2 years, and showing a profit. The next are business term loans. There's a number of different options available today. The great thing about the term loans and the 7A is you don't need to have real estate. They typically have terms of about 2 to 3 years and sometimes longer, out to 5 or 7 years. You need to have usually a minimum FICO score of about 600, and they're based on cash flow. You don't have to have real estate. So they want to see good, solid cash flow in your business bank statements, that you're keeping monies in there, that you're not having any negative days, and that you can show the ability to manage your cash. The third option is a business line of credit. Again, you need to be in business for 2 years, have a minimum FICO score of 600. The great thing about a business line of credit is it's flexible. You only pay for what you use. You get approved for a set amount. You borrow whatever it is that you need and when you need in your business. So again, the great news is business loans have never been easier to get, including SBA loans and term loans. Rates have never been better. It's never been more competitive in order to get financing for your business. But with that, it also makes it challenging because there's so many options out there. If you search small business loan online, a million things will come up. All these different lenders out there today have all different guidelines. They all have different requirements, credit score requirements, profitability requirements. So we've taken that challenge and guessing game out of the mix, and that's why we built our platform at National Business Capital. We have over 75 lenders on our platform. You can speak to someone that not only understands all the lender guidelines that are out there and all the lenders on our platform, but they'll also understand you and your business. In a quick 5 or 10 minute conversation, we can lay out those options and we can get you approved in hours and days. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have further questions, please just reach out to my team, have a quick conversation. If you're ready to get started, just click the link above or below and you can get the whole process started. Again, I hope you found this helpful. I want to wish you nothing but success in your business and keep growing.